Another common source of vulnerabilities is mistakes in using cryptography. This means the cryptographic math might be just fine, but the way the cryptographic math is deployed has problems that are more easily attacked than by actually breaking the crypto. As an example, there are some smart light bulbs that have to set up networks, so you program the first light bulb, and you don't want to have to connect and reprogram every single light bulb as you set it in. The light bulb makers solve this the following way. The first light bulb you install, you have to connect to, you have to teach it how to go on Wi-Fi, and so on. But rather than program every single light bulb, once you have the first light bulb set up, that light bulb automatically configures any other light bulb that's installed in your house. This makes it really easy to install additional light bulbs. But the way it does it is by sending the Wi-Fi password to the light bulb. So anything that says, hey, I'm a light bulb, gets the Wi-Fi password, including an attacker with a cell phone that says, hey, I'm a light bulb, and whatever light bulb is in the house will cough up the Wi-Fi password, and now the attacker is into the entire network. Typical mistakes for using cryptography include sending initial passwords or secrets without encrypting or without authenticating to make sure that only legitimate devices are getting the information. Another mistake is using known flawed protocols, such as flawed secret key exchange algorithms and flawed software. Just because you downloaded something from the internet doesn't mean it's correctly implemented or that it works. Another mistake is implementing your own cryptography from your own secret algorithm or even from books. Typing in the code from a book often will introduce subtle mistakes that are difficult to catch into your system. Another mistake is permitting weak passwords or weak keys. And finally, a very common mistake is not applying security patches and having systems run for months or even years with vulnerabilities that could have been patched but weren't.